Does Chime give instant money? That's the burning question, isn't it? You've probably heard the buzz about Chime, this digital bank promising quick cash and financial freedom. But is it all hype, or does Chime truly deliver instant gratification for your wallet? Let's dive deep into this. First off, let's clarify what we mean by instant money. Do we mean winning the lottery overnight, or something more practical? Because let's be real, there's no magic money tree growing in your backyard unless you're exceptionally lucky. What we're talking about here is the speed at which you can access your funds once they're deposited into your Chime account. So, does Chime offer instant access to your money? Well, it depends. Direct deposits. If you're expecting a paycheck or government benefit, and your employer or the government uses the ACH system to send it, then yes, Chime generally offers early access to these funds. This means you might be able to get your money up to 2 days earlier than with a traditional bank. It's like getting paid on Wednesday instead of Friday. That's a small victory, right? But remember, early access isn't the same as instant. There's still a processing time involved. And Chime doesn't guarantee early access for every direct deposit. Chime Spot Me. Another way to access money faster with Chime is through their Spot Me feature. It's like a small overdraft protection, allowing you to overdraw your account by a certain amount. This can be a lifesaver in a pinch, but it's not free money. Chime charges a fee for using Spot Me. So, while Spot Me might help you get by until your next payday, it's not a sustainable way to manage your finances. It's more of a safety net than a money-making scheme. Chime Credit Builder. Let's talk about the Chime Credit Builder card. This is a secured credit card that can help you build credit. While it doesn't directly give you instant money, it's a tool that can help you improve your financial health over time. Good credit can open doors to better loan terms and lower interest rates, which can save you money in the long run. The fine print. Before you jump on the Chime bandwagon, it's essential to understand the terms and conditions. While Chime offers some attractive features, it's not a miracle worker. Fees, eligibility requirements, and other factors can impact your experience. Alternatives to Chime. Chime isn't the only game in town. There are other digital banks and financial services out there that offer similar features. It's worth shopping around to compare fees, interest rates, and customer service. Building wealth, it takes time. Let's be honest, there's no shortcut to wealth. Building financial security requires discipline, planning, and smart money habits. While tools like Chime can help manage your money more efficiently, they won't make you rich overnight. Focus on creating a budget, saving regularly, and investing wisely. These are the foundations of long-term financial success. So, does Chime give instant money? The short answer is, it depends. You can access your direct deposits early, and Spot Me can provide a small buffer, but these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. Building wealth takes time and effort. Chime can be a helpful tool for managing your finances, but it's essential to use it wisely and understand its limitations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.